forecast you can trust. Here's meteorologist Ryherd.
It was another warm day out there for us here in the Tri-Cities, but not the whole state seeing that same story. We started out here with those lows this morning into the upper 60s and low 70s. We should be in the upper 40s this time of year, so very warm start for us. But like I said, just off to the west, they've been in those 50s here all day long, not really warming up. Here's those current temperatures for us, still in the 50s off to our west, but here in the Tri-Cities, we're looking at those upper 80s. Just within the last hour or so, Kearney starting to see that cold front, the effects of that cold front knocking them down into the middle 60s at this time. Otherwise, those very warm temperatures really for everyone here into eastern Nebraska, those upper 80s and even a few low 90s out there right now for us. Now checking out those winds here, you can also see the front pretty well with those. Behind that front, you're seeing those more northerly winds, and over here in the Tri-Cities, we're seeing those more southerly winds. Either side of the front, though, seeing very strong winds. It's been a very breezy afternoon here. We'll continue to see breezy conditions here as we go through the day tomorrow and into the early parts of the week here. Here's a check at those wind gusts right now. So like I said, very strong winds out there for us, gusting 25 to 30 miles an hour here into central and eastern Nebraska. Now, checking out satellite and radar at this time, most of the action staying off to our west, and we should expect that to stay that way as we go through the rest of this evening. Only about 30% chances for showers here as we go through the rest of the evening into the Tri-Cities area. But as we go through the overnight and especially into early tomorrow morning, that's where we're going to start to see those much better chances for showers and storms moving into our area. So let's check that out here on Futurecast as we go through the overnight hours. Like I said, staying mostly dry here. Most of the action stays off to our west. Then as we go into early tomorrow morning, that's where we're going to start to pick up those rain chances and see those greater increasing chances lasting throughout the day, those on and off showers and storms for us here into the Tri-Cities area. And then continuing as we go through the rest of the overnight there on Sunday and even into the day there on Monday, we'll continue to see some pretty good chances for showers. So how much rain are we talking here? Well, a lot of it going to stay, again, off to our west where they're already seeing all that rain. But for us here, we're going to see about an inch to an inch and a half in our area. Now, checking out those lows tonight, going to be another warm one for us if that cold front does stay where we're expecting it to. Lows into the upper 60s. Highs tomorrow, again, if that cold front doesn't pass over us, we'll be into those 80s and 70s for us. But if it does move through, then we are going to see those cooler temperatures much sooner. Then by Monday, going to see those temperatures back into the 60s and lasting through the day there on Tuesday. Those breezy conditions staying with us along with those rainy conditions there as we go through the rest of the weekend and into early next week. Then we're going to start to see a bit of a warm up and those sunny conditions returning. Stay tuned. We'll be right back.